Managing projects often involves a crucial financial component: invoicing. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business, or a larger agency, ensuring that your work is properly billed and payments are collected efficiently is paramount to your project's success and your business's health. When migrating to new accounting software or dealing with a high volume of past transactions, the ability to import data becomes a critical feature. For those using or considering FreshBooks, a common question arises: can you import invoices into FreshBooks? The answer, happily, is yes, you can import invoices into FreshBooks. This capability is a significant advantage for businesses that are transitioning from other accounting systems, need to upload a large batch of historical invoices, or have specific workflows that generate invoice data outside of FreshBooks. As a project management expert, I can tell you that manual data entry is a time sink and a hotbed for errors. So any feature that automates this process is a huge win for efficiency and accuracy. Why invoice import matters for project managers. From a project management perspective, the ability to import invoices is more than just a convenience. It's a strategic tool. Seamless migration. When you switch to a new accounting system like FreshBooks, you don't want to lose your historical financial data. Importing past invoices ensures continuity and allows you to maintain a complete financial record within your new platform. This is crucial for accurate reporting, tax purposes, and understanding long-term project profitability. Bulk processing efficiency. Imagine you've just completed a large project with multiple deliverables, each requiring a separate invoice, or you have a backlog of invoices from a busy period. Manually creating each invoice in FreshBooks would be incredibly time-consuming and prone to human error. Importing allows you to prepare your invoice data in a structured format, typically a CSV file, and upload it in one go, saving significant time and effort. Data consistency. When importing, you have the opportunity to map your existing data fields to FreshBooks fields. This ensures that your invoice information, client names, amounts, dates, line items, etc., is correctly categorized and consistent within FreshBooks system. Consistent data leads to more reliable reports and better financial insights. Reduced errors. Manual data entry is notorious for typos and omissions. By preparing your data in a spreadsheet and then importing it, you can review and correct errors before the data even enters FreshBooks, drastically reducing discrepancies and the need for future corrections. This is especially important for financial records where precision is non-negotiable. Integration with external systems. While FreshBooks offers robust invoicing capabilities, some businesses might use specialized project management tools or other systems that generate invoice-related data. The import feature provides a bridge, allowing you to bring that data into FreshBooks for consolidated financial management. How to import invoices into FreshBooks. The practical steps. FreshBooks typically facilitates invoice imports through a CSV, comma-separated values, file. Here's a simplified overview of the process. Prepare your data in a CSV file. This is the most critical step. You'll need to organize your invoice data into a spreadsheet program, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Each row in your spreadsheet will represent an invoice or an invoice line item. You'll need specific column headers that FreshBooks can recognize, e.g., client name, invoice number, issue date, due date, item name, quantity, rate, amount, tax, etc. FreshBooks usually provides templates or guidelines on the required fields and their formatting. Ensure data consistency. Use the same date format, currency format, and client names across all relevant entries. If an invoice has multiple line items, each line item typically needs to be on a separate row but linked by the same invoice number, client, and issue date. Navigate to the Import section in FreshBooks. Log into your FreshBooks account. Look for an Import or More Actions option, often found within the Invoices section or a General Settings/Data Import area. Upload your CSV file. Select the option to import invoices and then choose your prepared CSV file from your computer. Map your fields. FreshBooks will then present you with a mapping screen. This is where you tell FreshBooks which column in your CSV file corresponds to which field in FreshBooks, e.g., your customer_name column maps to FreshBooks client name field. Review these mappings carefully. If FreshBooks can't automatically match a column, you'll need to manually select the correct FreshBooks field from a drop-down menu. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the import, FreshBooks will often show you a preview or a summary of the data it's about to import. This is your chance to catch any last-minute errors. It might also flag any rows with missing required information or formatting issues. Address these as needed before proceeding. Initiate the import. Once you're satisfied with the mapping and preview, click the Import button. FreshBooks will then process your data. Verify imported invoices. After the import is complete, it's always a good practice to go to your Invoices section in FreshBooks and manually check a few of the imported invoices to ensure everything came through correctly. Check amounts, dates, client details, and line items.